Alright, good day and welcome. I'm Mr. Simons. In this lesson I'm looking at the remainder theorem on cube functions. So, first Euclidean property. If I have a fraction 38 divided by 3, we should know 3 goes in 38 12 times. 12 times 3 gives me 36. 38 minus 36 gives me 2 over 3. So my answer there is 12 remainder 2. So this can be rewritten as 38 equal 3 times 12 plus 2, where 38 is referred to as my dividend, 3 is my divisor, that's what I'm dividing by 4, 12 is the quotient, and 2 is my remainder. So in theory, if a polynomial f of x is divided by a polynomial a of x, and the degree of f of x is greater than the degree of a of x, so that is x squared, and this is just x, ax not equal to 0, then the polynomial can be written as follows: f of x equal a of x times q of x plus r of x. A of x times q of x plus r of x. F of x called my dividend, a of x my divisor, qx my quotient, and rx is called the remainder. So that's just some basic theory before we go to what we refer to as the remainder. Right, so using that theorem or remainder, what's the remainder? If fx equal to 5x cubed minus 12x squared minus 3x plus 5 is divided by x minus 1. So using long division, I'm just explaining it, but it's something I won't use. There's shorter ways. Right, x minus 1, there's 5x cubed minus 12x minus 3x plus 5. So first, to get 5x cubed, x times what would give me 5x cubed? That is 5x squared. So 5x squared times x gives me 5x cubed. 5x squared times negative 1 would give me negative 5x squared. Very important, I'm taking that and I'm subtracting it from here. So 5x cubed minus 5x cubed would give me a 0. Minus 12x squared minus 5x squared gives me minus 12x squared plus 5x squared, which gives me minus 7x squared. Carry down minus 3x and 5. Now what times x would give me minus 7x squared? That is minus 7x. So negative 7x times x gives me negative 7x squared. Negative 7x times negative 1 would give me plus 7x. Negative 7x squared minus 7x squared becomes 0. Minus 3x minus 7x would give me minus 10x. Carry 5 down, plus 5. Negative 10x. X times what would give me that? Negative 10. So negative 10 times x gives me negative 10x. Right? Negative 10 times negative 1 would give me plus 10. Minus 10x minus 10x would become 0. 5 minus positive 10 becomes 5 minus 10, which gives me negative 5. Right, so my quotient is 5x squared minus 7x minus 10. My divisor was x minus 1. My remainder is negative 5. And the original equation is my dividend. Right, now let's look at shorter ways of doing this. Right, so determine the remainder when f of x equal 2x cubed plus x squared minus 15x minus 12 is divided by x minus 1. So if we solve using zero factor law, x minus 1 equal to 0. If I take negative 1 across, then x equal 1. So if we substitute in that equation, it becomes f of 1, 2 times 1 cubed plus 1 squared minus 15 times 1 minus 12, and that gives me an answer of negative 24. So my remainder here is negative 24. Right? So if you're enjoying the lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. Right? Determine the remainder when f of x equal 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 12x minus 10 divided by x plus 2. So again, x plus 2 equals 0. So I'm substituting x equal negative 2. If I take 2 across. So I have f of x equal 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 12x minus 10. X becomes negative 2. So wherever I see x, I'm placing negative 2. Alright, so minus 2 cubed, which gives me negative 8, negative 24. Plus 8 plus 24 minus 10 gives me a remainder of -2. Alright, so hope you understand, hope you enjoy the lesson. Wish you nothing but the best.